Good day, everybody, and welcome to Northern Blaze. I'm starting up my YouTube channel. We're going to be mostly doing quad, mud, and everything. I've been gone for work for 6 weeks. So I dropped off my quad at the local dealership for the simple reason that I blew my clutch. It stripped the clutch shaft and everything else blew. I was gonna do it myself, but then I said, well, I'm leaving for work. I don't have time. I want things to get done. I have a 2013 Suzuki King Quad. Bought in 2012. And this is the first time it breaks. So, all in all, I can't really argue. For an old bike, first major breakdown. It's not normal, as we can say, because we all know toys break. They always do. And that'll never change. There she goes. Tied in. One on each side. One in the back. Holds the tailgate up. And if you want to make sure it's well tied, give it an extra click. Click, kitty, clack, clack. Not too much, not to dent the tailgates, because we all know trucks nowadays aren't built like they used to be. They dent just looking at them. So yeah. So I hope you guys stick around for more videos. Like I say, this is just an intro to what's to come. I got a snorkel kit that came in for this thing. I'll be putting it on soon. I gotta put a new winch in. A few little things I've got to do. Stick around, watch the mods, and then let's go wreck it in mud. Have a great day, guys.